lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCA, and in today's video we are going to use fennel seeds, garlic and ginger to melt down fibroid naturally without any side effects. If you're a woman, you have gone to the hospital and you have been diagnosed of you having fibroid and you have to go for a surgery, please try those home remedies which helps in combating with natural health. And this one is without side effect. But before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time watching my video, I say welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in learning how to do things yourself. My channel is a DIY channel and how to grow your hair and more. Alright, so before we get into it, we will need 4 cloves of garlic and ginger, and we need a teaspoon or a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 glass of water, honey, which is optional, and we need a saucepan or a container that we are going to use it to boil combo. So I'm going ahead to cut this in pieces into the saucepan. That's a simple way to melt down your fibroid so naturally. You know, fibroid is found among many women, of which it's even fight against our own natural beauty. For example, when your tummy is big, or it makes your tummy to be big in a way of which it prevents you from looking nicer if you have big tummy. So with this, I'm going ahead to add my garlic and ginger all together here. It's so simple to do. Just within the next 3 minutes, your combo will be ready, or your fibroid remedy will be ready for you to use. That's so easy to do. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm done with the cutting off. So I'm going ahead to add the fennel seeds. You can get fennel seeds in the market. The women that sell spices, all this are there for you to get some. These are all natural spices that are found in our kitchen. So without you spending much time or much money on surgery. So I'm going ahead to bring this to a boil. Alright, so I'm done with the boiling of my juice, and I allowed it to boil for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to need a strainer and a glass. So I'm going to go ahead and then transfer everything into the glass. Alright, so that's what we have here. The stage we have gotten to is optional. I said, as you can see, this to make the taste better, we need this in addition. You know, honey is very good for our womb, especially to clean our uterus. So I'm going to go ahead and then add half teaspoon of my pure honey to it. So I'll allow it to cool down and take it before meals. Take those in the morning and in the evening before you go to bed. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.